I need, when it comes to studying, what helps me is, wala, nagsusulat ako. Like, I use this, parang ginaganon ko yung ballpen ko. Para mas matandaan ko. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, yeah. So, let's start with the beginning of the history of Manus King of Flight. So, the early years... Actually, no, I don't need this. I can do this. I can do this. So, like, the early years, it was about the Daedalus and Icarus. Icarus was the one that flew close. Why is it so... 200 BC through 1980 AD. So the first ones is the Greek mythology, Daedalus and Icarus. So Daedalus is the one that Icarus was the one that flew too close to the sun. So the history between the Greek mythology. Why is it only like this though? So yeah. Like, marami-rami akong aaralin today. Okay? So, yeah. Lipat ko lang to sa... Like, I'm gonna make like a reviewer real quick. Kasi hindi ko magets yung PPT na binigay sa akin. So, nagawa tayo ng sarili nating reviewer. It's the same content, but like, I wrote it down based on like how I understood it. So yeah. Guys, we're gonna study, okay? You're gonna study with me. You guys have no absolute choice but to study with me. And I hope you guys will also help me get to 25k pins. Because that's my goal and I want to achieve that. Daedalus and Icarus. Guys, do you think it was a bad idea to like start this like very late? And by late, like, you know, like cram? Because I don't think it's bad. Because I'm still studying. Guys, hindi talaga ako magsasalita right now. Kasi nag-aaral ako.